AmericanElectric Energy, we don't just create batteries, we create freedom. Introducing Dorado ID-Max, part of our Mercury Edition. An 18-inch lithium battery for those who always push further. Its charging port is optimized to protect every cycle, ensuring a longer lifespan and more energy for your journeys. With just one button, it shows you the battery level. Precision and simplicity at your fingertips. Its discharge port guarantees a flawless connection. It is built to support you without fail when it matters most. The safety mechanism ensures the battery is properly secured within the bike frame. While it doesn't use a key, its design guarantees stability, durability, and peace of mind. AmericanElectric Energy: power, precision, perfection.